Hello everybody, Train Spotter here. Today we're going to Edge Hill. Yeah, that's the station we're going for our train journey today. So I hope you all had a very good Christmas. I did a vote on which station to do next, and by all your votes, it was Edge Hill that won. So that's what I'm doing today. So I really do hope you enjoy today's video, and let's get this show up and running. Train now zooming past is a freight locomotive. Let's see what else will come next on this station. Train now arriving is a 323 going to Liverpool Lime Street. This is a train I'm going to get on, so I'll record it leaving Edge Hill. I'll see you at Edge Hill. I'm now at Edge Hill, and the train now leaving is a 323 going to Liverpool Lime Street, which is the next stop. And train just passing through behind it is a 156 and a 150, probably going to Norwich. See what else will happen today. Train now passing through is 158 and a 156 going to Liverpool Lime Street.
The next train to arrive at platform 1 is the 1331 Woolworth service to Crewe. Calling at Wavertree Technology Park, Broad Green, Rowby, Highton, Wiston, Rain Hill, Lee Green, St Helens Junction.
Train that's now arrived is a 319 going to Crewe. You see, this train goes right to Pats. Train now departing is a 319 going to Crewe. See what else will come into Pat next on this station. Train now arriving in is a double 331 going to Liverpool Lime Street. Obviously, this train goes when it departs. Train now departing is a double 331 going to Liverpool Lime Street. See what else will come next on this station. Train now passing through There's a double 350 going to Liverpool Lime Street. This is what also come next on the station. The train now arriving in is a 156 going to Liverpool Lime Street. At the same time, we got a double 331 going to Wigan North Western. And you'll see these two trains go past when they depart. Train now departing is a double 331 going to Wigan North Western. Train now zooming past is a London Penlino going to London Euston, and at the same time the 156 is departing going to Liverpool Lime Street. The Wells will come into part next on this station. Train now zooming past is a 156 and a 158 going to Norwich. At the same time, an Esperanto Express train going to Liverpool Lime Street is now slowly going past. So Wells will come into part next on the station. Train now arriving is a 156 connected to another 156 going to Manchester Oxford Road. You see this train goes when it departs. Train now departing is a double 156 going to Manchester Oxford Road. we're also coming to part next on this station. Train now arriving is a 323 going to Warrington Bank Quay. You see that train goes went into parts. Train now departing is a 323 going to Warrington Bank Quay. Let's see what else we're going to come to part next on this station. Train now going past is a 350 go to Birmingham, and it's coupled to another 350 She was will come into part next on this station. Train now zooming past is a 195 going to Liverpool Lime Street. Train now going past is a 156 going to Manchester Oxford Road. And that was a good two-tone from the driver. See what else will come into part next on the station. Train now arriving is a 323 going to Liverpool Lime Street. We'll see this train goes when it departs. Train now departing is a 323 going to Liverpool Lime Street. Let's see what else will come to part next on this station. Train now going past is a London Penlino going to Liverpool Lime Street. Let's see what else will come to part next on this station. Train now going slowly is a freight train. I think it's turning around.
Stand well away from the edge of platform 4. The approaching train is not scheduled to stop at this station.
We'll see that train goes when it comes through. Train now coming past now is a, thanks Mr. Squeaky, is a 195 going to Liverpool Lime Street. Actually no, it's a 331, my bad. Oh, I'm zooming the entire time. And we'll see that other train go past in a minute. Train now coming past is a 158 going to Liverpool Lime Street.
The next train to arrive at platform 1 is the 1431 Northern service to Crewe. Calling at Wavertree Technology Park, Broad Green, Roby, Highton, Whiston, Rain Hill, Lee Green, St Helens Junction, Earlstown, Newton the Willows.
Let's see who else will come into part next on the station. The freight train has decoupled to its load. Right here. And off it goes into the tunnel. Oh, and right here we have a 331 going to Liverpool Lime Street. And behind me is a 319 going to Crewe. We'll see these trains, we'll see both of these trains go by when they depart. Train now departing is a 319 going to Crewe. And that freight locomotive has turned around, as you just heard its horn. And the train next to me here, as you can see on the right hand side, is meant to be zoomed past, but it stopped here I think on a red signal. I think this locomotive is going to the front on the other side of this load. Let's see what happens next on this station today. Train now departing is a 331. I don't know where it's going, it's not saying on the top of the train. But I think it's going straight to somewhere to start its first journey. See what else will come into part next on this station. I think that locomotive is on the other side of this load, now pushing it this way a little bit. And train now zooming past is a 331 going to Blackpool North. Let's see what else will come into part next on this station. Train now zooming past is a double 350 going to Liverpool Lime Street. See what else will happen on this station. Train now arriving is a 319 going to Liverpool Lime Street. We'll see this train goes when it departs. Train now departing is a 319 going to Liverpool Lime Street.
The next train to arrive at platform 4 is the 1451 Northern service to Liverpool Lime Street. Calling at Liverpool Lime Street only. This train is formed of 4 carriages. The next train to arrive at platform 4 is the 1451 Northern service to Liverpool Lime Street.
We'll see that train comes when it gets here. Train now arriving in is a double 156 going to Liverpool Lime Street. And train now zooming past is a London Pendolino going to London Euston. And now departing is a double 156 going to Liverpool Lime Street. That was a bit loud. Let's see what else will come to part next on this station. Train now zooming past is a Class 800 going to Liverpool Lime Street. And station now zooming past is a 158 going to Norwich. See what else will come into part next on this station. Past is a Class 800 going to Newcastle. let's see what else will come into part next on this station. Arriving is a 195 going to Manchester Oxford Road. You see, this train goes right to parts. Train now departing is a 195 going to Manchester Oxford Road. And train that just arrived in is a 319 going to Wigan North Western. You see, that train goes right to parts. Train now departing is a 319 going to Wigan North Western. What's what happened on this station? Train now going past is a 350, a double 350 going to Birmingham. Just about to zoom out. See what else will come into part next on this station. Train now zoom past is a double 331 going to Liverpool Lime Street. Train now going past is a 390 going to Liverpool Lime Street.
You must wear a face covering whilst on the station and on the train, unless you are exempt.
Train now going past is a double three. Actually, not 150 going to Liverpool Lime Street.
The next train to arrive at platform 2 is the 1521 Northern service to Liverpool Lime Street. Calling at Liverpool Lime Street only.
Let's see what else will come into part at this station. Train now going past is a double 156 going to Manchester Oxford Road. And train right here is a 319 going to Liverpool Lime Street. And now it's a good two-tone from that driver. Let's see, we'll see this train when it departs. Train now departing is a 319 going to Liverpool Lime Street. see what else will come into part next on this station. Now going past is a 156. And train that's now arrived is a 323 that I'm now getting on to get home. I'm back at Lee Green and the 323 is now leaving and it's going to Crewe. Well, that's the time I got for today. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you all next time.